Hello, hello, hello. Nice and early. So I grabbed my boilerplate yesterday. I am also going to. So I want to include some CSS and stuff in this one. And this was the sort of example that they gave for what it's going to look like. You got an input, this nice phone thing, camera and everything, two buttons. Now I want to explore something. I think if I inspect it, okay, so I can see the HTML. Here. Okay. I think. Oh. Okay, so this is the HTML. This is the HTML for it. I reckon I can literally grab part of this, maybe the body. Okay, I want to grab all of it and then take some stuff out. So if I drop that in here, okay, I expect some bits to fail. I haven't got a bunch of stuff. And honestly, I don't need a bunch of stuff. So I don't think I need this link. And what this allows me to do is sort of learn from what they've done. No, it's not somewhat lazy, but I feel like I'm learning because I've seen what can be done with it. And it's like, okay, cool, I get to see how they got there. So, I mean, you look at my last project, it was literally just this in the middle of the screen, just that, right? I don't need the logo. Okay, so I was taking up that space. And, I mean, this much I can do. You know, I've got my input. Okay. You've got divs for the various okay, so they've got divs for the various things now. You can't quite see it, but they're div for the phone container, which then I guess with the CSS gets done. So I could actually start changing part of this now to say we need an input element, ID user input. I believe that's this bit, yeah. That's the input. Oh, yeah, okay. And the label, okay, uses that ID. That's my input. It has an empty string. Okay, cool. Check button. Check button. button. Okay, get in a class for the CSS. Again, so I'm seeing, it's like you're looking at, like you're watching a chef create something, right? And you're learning how it's done. So that's what I feel like I'm being able to do here. Because a bunch of these are going to be checked. So a results div, okay. So this I'll implement with my JavaScript, and then a test. So this bit actually I would have got to sort of on my own really, because yeah, creating the input and the buttons, that's fine. I understand I need to add a class. Okay, that's cool. So then going back here, so I can view the page source. I can also see the CSS. So this CSS is what will give, I think, let's see. The phone. Okay. That's quite cool. So this gives it the size. Okay. Okay. Okay, cool. Alright, so I'm just going to save this bit. And I'm going to pause there because I need to go and get the kids ready. But we're good. So now I'm ready to start implementing my my JavaScript. I'm going to have a validator function that does this bit, and yeah, and that's it. Okay, cool. So that was more of a learning thing. I think, yeah, that was more learning than anything.